That's what I need you to do right now. You need to take a deep breath because we are in week 2 of digital photography, which means that we are just scratching the surface of the stuff that's going on, and our course is only going to get more and more in depth here. So I want to just cover the meat and potatoes of what we're going over. Um, by the end of the week, you're going to be able to import and export photos out of Lightroom. You're going to be importing your Art of Seeing project and then exporting it out for grading. You're going to understand how to rate, organize, and sort photos with color tags and filters and ratings. You're going to begin to understand a little bit how exposure works, but that camera piece might feel a little odd still, and that's okay. We're going to learn how to control the ISO, the aperture, and the shutter speed on your camera using manual mode. Actually, you're going to learn how to do that because I'm going to teach you how to research that during the week. The resources that I need you to go through. Camera Bootcamp. It's an ebook there in our course. Then you also have the ebook on using Lightroom and setting that up. So that's going to walk you through things. So make sure before you start any of that you have Lightroom installed and it's working correctly. You can load it up. And remember, we are using Lightroom Classic, not Lightroom CC. And so anything on your iPhone or iPad is not going to cut it for the class because we're shooting in RAW with our cameras. Your readings. Last week you read chapters 1 through 3 in Zen post-production, which I'm sure might have put you to sleep since you didn't have Lightroom installed yet. So if you only skimmed that stuff and just kind of looked through it briefly, that's fine. Know what's there, so when you have a problem, you've got a place to go back to and find an answer. Since I'm not there talking to you 6 hours a week, you got to be able to do that on your own. This week I want you to read chapter 4, though, which is organizing your visual life, which is always a fun thing to do. Over my shoulder there, it does not look very organized. It's been a week. And then chapter 16, you get to skip all the way to 16 to learn how to export your photographs from Lightroom. I've got demo videos on both importing and exporting, but the text is great to be able to go there, see it, see the windows, understand what you're looking at, be able to flip back through it. It's faster sometimes than a video. If you want a copy of that textbook, it is available in paper, and it's great text. Recommend getting them. You probably could find one at the LCC bookstore. Call first. But you can find them on Amazon used for probably $15, $20 tops. And all right, so your assignments this week. How your camera works. It's Google slide thing. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let me know if you have problems. That project was borrowed from Teresa Hughes. So thanks, Teresa, for that one. You're going to critique your self-portraits. So those need to be uploaded, and we're going to critique those by Tuesday. Art of Seeing is due at end of the week. That's got a video on how to do it. It also has written instructions. So if you have questions on that, ask them early rather than late. So you got plenty of time to work on that. You're going to be importing and exporting that assignment out of Lightroom. So don't wait to complete that assignment till like Friday or Saturday, because you're going to need some time to muck around on the computer and get that all taken care of. All right, it's a busy week. Next week, week 3 is going to be super exciting because we dive really deep into shutter speeds and aperture and cool stuff with our cameras. All right, looking forward to seeing what questions you guys have during the week. Thanks.